Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Daniela from Katseye. So let's get started. To draw cute Daniela, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come right about here and just curve up. And another one, maybe two of them. Just thicken them up a little bit, and then same thing here. There. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up about right here, and we're just going to draw a slight angle line up and curve down. And just thicken it up slightly. And same thing over here. There. And then of course we need to give Daniela a sweet smile, so say about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So we're going to come right about here where the lashes are, and just going to go ahead and just draw this angle line right next to her eye. And then we're going to bring it down. So curve. So kind of round this part off. And we're going to aim for the center. So I'm going to find my center, and let's say about right here is where I want her chin to be. And I'm going to bring that curve to my point. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and then draw the rest of her hair. So let's find our center. I'm going to go up like where her forehead and where her hair is going to start. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from here, we're going to bring down this curve that comes down, and then it's going to wobble about right here, hit the brow, and then come out. So same thing here. It's going to come out, and we're going to start to wobble, and then hit the brow, and then come out. There. And then from there, we can go up straight for our hair parts, and we're going to go up on both sides. So let's go up and then come down about right here. It's going to flatten out about here. And then we're going to start to just kind of wobble. And same thing here. Kind of angle a little bit, and then right about here we're going to start to wobble. Okay, so before we finish the rest of her hair, let's go ahead and draw her body first. So I'm going to come right here, give her a little neck. About there. And then we're going to bring this out. And let's see, let's stop right there. And then before we start to round off her shoulder, because we're going to come right here and draw a curve coming down kind of to where her armpits would be. So these two curves right there, and then bring it in for her waist. So now that we have this shape in, let's come right about here, and I'm going to bring down this curve on both sides to draw her tank top. So I'm just going to bring this nice and low, this big curve right about there. Bring this in a little bit more to her waist. And then about right there, let's come out. So just make sure we're giving her a waist and then come out to say about right there. We're about the same level. I'm going to go ahead and connect this with a curve. So this is where her pants are going to start, right about here. So then let's bring this part out. I'm going to pop it out a little bit. And come down. So I'm finding my center, and they're going to be really baggy jeans. So let's say about right here, nice and low. Just going to give myself an angle line, and we're going to draw two angles coming out really close to each other to create her pants. So let's come down. I'm going to work on this side first, and about right here, just start to wobble. Let's bring this down. Maybe right here, start to wobble a little bit, and then bring it in to about right here, and then just kind of curve it and connect. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that shape in, let's just come right here really quickly and draw in the feet. So I'm just going to put in a simple pair of shoes. Sole part, and I'll just put in a curve right there. So we know that they're shoes. So same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw her arms. So I'm just going to have them both on her hips. So let's come right about here. We want her hands about right here. So then we're going to angle again, and then angle out for her hands. So then let's round this part off to thicken up her arms. Bring them in about right here, then angle steeper, and then a little finger. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same on the other side. And once again, we're going to aim for the hand to come up here. And a little finger. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm just going to wobble all the way down and bring it in. And in, and then here you can draw in some details. So maybe right against her face. Continue that out. There. And then for some details on her outfit, right about here, put in this angle line here. And it'll be, we need to come here and draw this heart for her necklace. She actually has a heart in this one, so I'm not making this one up. And this band, and same thing here. There. Okay, and then of course her jeans, so let's put in some details. I'm going to put in a band for the waist area. Circle in the center. Some loops. Your pocket. Center line. And then of course, let's see here. I think she has like a chain coming down here. So pop this out. There. So hopefully that looks like a chain that she has on her outfit. And I think that is pretty much it for this drawing here of Daniela from Katseye. I really hope you love how she turned out just as much as all the other members I've drawn so far. And thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.